In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create content with Gumloop, full tutorial. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable workflow that gathers data, uses AI to turn it into content, and sends the results where you need them. Start by logging in at gumloop.com. On the dashboard, click Create Workflow and give it a descriptive name you'll recognize later, such as Daily Lead Finder Automation. Clear names make it easier to maintain and reuse your automations as they grow. Next, choose a trigger. Triggers define when your automation runs. You can run it manually for testing, put it on a schedule daily, weekly, or monthly, listen for a webhook, collect inputs through a form, or use event-based options if they're available. If you're just getting started, manual or a simple schedule is the safest choice while you build confidence. Add inputs and variables to make your workflow reusable. Inputs are the knobs you can change without editing steps, like website URL, keyword, location, or email text. Variables store data between steps, so you can capture something once and reference it later. Clear names here prevent confusion down the line. Now add actions, which are the tasks Gumloop performs. Typical actions include opening a website, clicking buttons or scrolling, searching, extracting text or data, analyzing with AI, generating content, and sending notifications. Add actions one at a time and test frequently so you can spot where things break. When automating the browser, be deliberate. Include short waits or delays so pages can load, scroll to reveal lazy loaded content, avoid rapid-fire clicks that sites might throttle, and handle pop-ups and cookie banners. Most issues happen here, so slowing the automation slightly often speeds your build overall. Extract and store the data you care about. Capture headlines, prices, emails, product names, social metrics, or content details, and save them as variables. This makes it easy to feed the results into later steps without re-scraping. Make the workflow smart with conditions. Use simple if and else logic, like notifying only when a price drops, skipping records with no email, or analyzing items that pass an engagement threshold. This keeps runs efficient and results focused. Add AI to transform raw data into insights or content. Use it to summarize, classify, generate responses, identify patterns, or create reports. A simple, effective prompt is